Okay, so let's do it to it, guys. What is the secret of a long-lasting relationship?
I think a lot of the misunderstandings come from the part where one
Hey guys, Carlo here. Welcome to the vlog. In today's episode, we're going to do 1, 2, 3, maybe 3 or 4 things. I am going to share with you what I think is the very best Yeezy to date. As in all the Yeezys I've tried, and I've tried a lot, I will share with you my favorite. For me, the ultimate best Yeezy that Kanye West has ever made. And then after that, I'll unbox a new pair of Yeezys kasi a new one came in that I need to unbox, open, and share with all of you. And then I will head on over to Shangri-La because I need to drive the wife. And since we're with her, let's bring back the segment, Itanong kay Mrs. or Ask the Wife. I have a couple of questions from you on Instagram and we'll have a conversation with her. O, diba? So it's going to be a fun, light episode. Let's go. By the way, if you haven't seen the winners of the raffle, I actually announced the winners of the MSI laptop. I announced the winners of the gift certificates from Seoul Republic as well as YOLO Manila. Watch the previous video. Announcement of winners are there. Link to that video down below. Okay, let's get started. So the very best Yeezy, in my opinion, is in this bag. So this was actually a Yeezy that I had cleaned by Jeeves. If you guys are looking for a cleaning service for sneakers, clothes, I think they even do furniture, you should go to them. As in, they were such a pleasure to work with and deal with. Now, inside this paper bag is my favorite Yeezy. And it is actually, yeah, it's the only Yeezy left in my collection. I sold all of my Yeezys. OMG, I sold all my 350s. I sold all my 500s. I sold all my 700s. And this is the only Yeezy left in Carlo Ople sneaker collection. And it is actually my favorite Yeezy. You've probably seen it in the past. This is the Yeezy 700 V2 Static. There used to be a really bad stain. Oil stain plus dirt stain on one of the pairs of the shoe, and I couldn't take it out even with the cleaning solutions that I had, and that's why I actually gave this pair to them for cleaning kasi hindi ko na talaga siya maayos. Bango! It smells new! OMG! And wow, they were able to remove the stain. So this is the part of the shoe near the toe box, that suede, delicate suede material over here that used to have that horrendous ugly stain. And now it looks pristine. It looks clean, sobrang panalo, sobrang malinis na siya. As in, talagang mukhang bagong-bagong sapatos. So, man, this looks really nice. And it smells good too. Even if you take a look at the boost underneath, kasi usually that's the part that becomes dirty, they were able to hit that area as well. So, it is, wow, panalo. Super clean, super fresh. Smells amazing. So, fantastic service. So, shout out again to everybody from Jeeves. If you guys want to learn more about them, I'll link them down below. Now, why do I think this is like the best Yeezy to date? I did the video of the review already, but in a nutshell, I just love the design. It's futuristic, it's stylish, it's straightforward, it's easy to wear, it's versatile, and it's perfect for people like me who have wide and flat feet because it is comfortable, it is a bit more roomy compared to the 350, and it gives you more support and ground feel as opposed to just the overall mushiness of the 350 silhouette. The 500s for me, if you wear them for a long time, the midsole starts to poke upwards, especially if you have flat feet, and it can be uncomfortable. So for me, of all the sneakers, 700 Yeezy, specifically the 700 V2 Static, is the absolute best. Okay, so I mentioned that we will be unboxing a brand new pair of Yeezy. So this is technically the second Yeezy in my collection because that's the only one remaining. So this is a Yeezy that's white and blue, a really nice colorway, and I just want to show it to you guys today. Now this pair was sent over by the OG sneaker reseller of this channel, and when I say OG because they're the very first sneaker reseller that I worked with, Shoe Freak PH, link down below to his Instagram. Okay, so let's do it to it, guys. So we have over here, I forgot the name. I think it's one of those Yeezy basketball shoes, pero what really got me hooked on this particular colorway, well, is the color. Ang ganda ng kulay niya, and when I saw it, it just captivated me, and I really wanted it in my collection. This one is called the Yeezy Quantum, and the colorway is frost blue. So you have your typical Yeezy box, you have the tissue pair. Ang ganda niya, OMG guys. Take a look at that. I'm a sucker for blue and white, maybe because of the school colors that I had. Ba-bam! Nice. To be honest, I haven't read anything about this shoe apart from the fact that I know that it is supposed to be like a basketball shoe. The midsole is Boost. The color stripes along the side, initially I thought were purely white and blue, but it turns out there is some sort of like yellow color as well, interspersed or in between the blue like plasticky material that they have along the sides of the shoe. What do you guys think of the shoe? Let me know in the comment section. And by the way, what Yeezy do you think is the very best Yeezy that Kanye pinagsama Yeezy tsaka West, Kanye West has ever made? I think a lot of you will say the Yeezy Zebra or the Yeezy Wave Runner. But again, I just want to hear from you. Comment down below what you think is the best Yeezy that Kanye West has ever made. So I just tried on the Yeezy Quantum Frost Blue. Good news, size plus 0.5 was perfect for me. I didn't have to go a full size up. It fits like a glove. Sobrang sarap sa paa. I feel the boost, I feel the cushioning. It looks amazing. And I know that I said that I'd use the Yeezy 700 V2 Static as like my shoe of the day, but I will just I'll just go with this one. It just looks so nice. So perfect with like a black shirt, jeans, you know, like a white watch, and then you have that shoe for the accent. So yeah, let's go with the shoe. Shout out to Banale Design and Urban Traveler for the active face mask collaboration with Project 721. If you guys want one, you can get one today over at Lazada. I will link it down below. So we are here with the lovely Mrs. Tajan. Punta kami siyang. But as promised, ito ang pagbabalik. This is the return of Tanungin kay Mrs. or Ask the Wife. Okay. Diba? So by the way, the wife will have a new show on YouTube coming next Saturday. So watch out for it. Once the channel is available, we'll link it down below. Ano ba ang sikreto ng isang matagal na relationship? Or what is the secret of a long-lasting relationship?
Like with any relationship naman, I mean, you invest time talaga, and you invest more and more layers of moments to get to know a person. So I guess you have to start knowing na ibang tao talaga yan. It's a person na you're discovering. It's a person na you're learning to know more about. Yung interests, yung quirks, the things that you have to forgive, diba? So it starts with that, knowing na this is a person. It's not an ideal character in your head. If you have that understanding, then you'll know na, number one, you're different. And number two, there will be things na hindi kayo magkakasundo, pero meron din namang mga bagay na sobra naman din kayong swak. So, the relationship stretches out into a long period when you enjoy knowing each other every day. When you enjoy knowing each other and discovering things about each other and adding layers to the character that you know about yung tao, hindi mo na mapapansin yung oras, marirealize mo 20 years na pala kayo magkakilala, ganon. So, just enjoy discovering the person for who he or she is. Yan, everything follows. The patience, the forgiveness, the fun, diba? So,
may follow-up question. Yung follow-up question, paano kung sobrang lala nung away? Kasi usually, that's what kills it eh. People who don't know how to get past like a big fight.
I think a lot of the misunderstandings come from the part where one refuses or does not empathize with the other. Empathy meaning ano kaya yung nararamdaman niya, saan siya nanggagaling, diba? I think most fights would probably end if you start asking, saan ka ba nanggagaling, diba? I mean, saan ba yan nanggagaling? Actually, kahit kami when we have a argument, pag tinanong na ako ni Carlo na, saan ka nanggagaling, diba? It takes me a step back and makes me wonder, ano nga ba pinanggagalingan ko, diba? And then there comes that deeper understanding. But then, all that being said, even if you do have empathy, there should be things na you don't compromise on. So, for example, violence or something na abuse, diba? There are things na pag andun na, end na, diba? And it's because it will not grow you as a person. And I say that because we try to practice fighting forward, where you learn something about the other person and why it erupted into an argument. Pag walang ganon, pag walang growth, yun talagang may mali na talagang nangyayari, then I think those are signals and red flags that maybe a relationship should end.
Okay, so point. 2 words for the day: empathy well, 3 words. And fighting forward. Oh. So guys, yan ang ating tanong mo kay Mrs. If you have more questions for the wife, please just comment down below. And in the next time we get to do this, next time ihatid ko siya para sa facial niya, we will ask her again what your question. So, babe, magbabay ka naman sa fans mo. Ayun. So, invite mo sila sa show.
Yes, abangan nyo po yung Ka-Asenso on YouTube, managed by Carlo. Thank you for helping me out. Pero yun, ang dami natin pag-uusapang mga topics tungkol sa pera, career, things that na talagang makakapagpa-asenso sa inyo. Not just sa pera ninyo, pero as a person as well.
Yun. So, next Saturday, abangan nyo. Boom. Okay. So, we just came from Shangri-La. Wasn't able to vlog going there anymore. So, hindi ko napapakita si Mitch, pero yun siya. Yun. So, that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video for today. I hope you learned something from Itanong Mo Kay Mrs. And again, if you guys have more questions for her, just comment down below. And in the next Itanong Mo Kay Mrs., I will pick questions and ask her. So, that's it. Peace. God bless. What's up? Boom.